Welcome back to another pack break. I have a vintage 1993 Pro Set Jumbo Pack. There's 32 cards to a pack. Let's see what we got. Rookie quarterback of Billy Joe Hobart. Chip Lohmiller. Jerry Rice. Bernie Kosar. Neil Anderson. Here we go with the crazy turns. Ethan Horton, Michael Irvin. There's the backs of the cards. They're actually kind of cool. Got a full color photo on the back. They have them, yeah, on every card. Michael Haynes, Darren Smith, Hall of Famer Steve Young, Vince Evans, which played forever, Johnny Holland, David Klingler, which was terrible, Simon Fletcher, Marcus Buckley, Brian Noble, Ed McCaffrey, that's Christian McCaffrey's dad, Ray Buchanan, Shane Conlon, Keith Cash, Ron Stark, Audrey McMillan, Pat Swilling, Richmond Webb, Carl Mecklenburg, a Super Bowl 28 card, kind of cool, Leon Searcy, Ty Parton, Derek Walker, Wendell Davis, Steve DeBerg, and Thurman Thomas. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great evening, everybody.